Hello guys, welcome to Cash Cost Plus channel, and in today's video we will be talking about an amazing meme token opportunity that you cannot afford to miss. The opportunity I'm talking about took my portfolio to a whopping 10x within a short period of time, give or take 3 to 4 days. Generally, people invest in crypto when they are already listed. Now don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that already listed tokens or old tokens do not do well in the market, but here's the kicker guys. It's almost impossible to have a 10x or a 100x on coins that are old in the market. That's why in today's video, our focus is going to be on the newly listed tokens. I'm going to tell you, or I'm going to show you all the adjustments that are needed to be done in order to, locate these newly listed tokens and how you can avoid getting rug pulled. A rug pull is something that is inevitable sometimes, but with the proper risk management, you can be able to avoid getting rug pulled and being at the risk of losing all your money. All right, so first thing first, without wasting much time, when you get to Desk Screener, in case you don't know what Desk Screener is or how you can be able to set up your Solana Phantom wallet and Desk Screener, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below that's going to show you how you can be able to do that and how you can be able to fund your Solana Phantom wallet with Solana. Right now, first and first, when you get to the Dex Screen interface, this is the Dex Screen interface. The first thing you need to do is to locate this place over here. Let me indicate it for you. Right, you need to locate this place that reads new trending, right, and then switch it to 5 minutes. Let me show you how you can do it. You just click on it. Right, when you click on it, it's going to bring you to this interface, and then all you have to do is to click on trending 5 minutes. Right, so it's going to show you the coins that are trending within the last 5 minutes. So when you click on trending 5 minutes, the next thing you need to do is to actually go over and slide this bar, this one that you see, right? Just slide this bar until you get to a place called peer age. Let me show you. All right, so this is peer age. This is peer age right here. All right, so what we ought to be doing right here, or what we're going to do right here, is to adjust our settings and adjust the age of the coins, in the sense that it's going to fetch us only the coins that are listed minutes or few hours ago. All right, only then can we be able to actually get in, snipe, and then get a little bit of percentage, let's say 1.2x 1.5x to 2x, and then just go out of the market in case it wants to get rug pulled. We've got what we want to get, and then move out of the market. Right, so all you have to do now is to click on this peer age. Right, so when you click on peer age, you're gonna choose 0.1 hours, which is let's say 10 minutes, right? So 0.1 hour. Right, so I think the maths, 0.1 hour is 10 minutes and above. So your minimum hours is going to be 10 minutes, which is 0.1 hours, and then max is going to be 24 hours. This is going to make us, or this settings is going to make us actually catch the coins that are doing well within the last 24 hours. So all you have to do is to click on apply filter right here. Right, you just click on apply filter right here. So when you click on apply filter, it's only going to bring to you the coins under this filter. Now, as you can see, you're going to see that the coins appearing are just within the last 24 hours. Let me indicate it for you. Right, so these green writings over here are signifying the hours, or the hours that this coin have been listed. Right, so this got listed within the last 6 hours. This is 2 hours, 1 hour, 6 minutes, 7 minutes, and so on and so forth. Right, so this is how you can be able to set those settings before you actually look for the coin that you actually want to trade on. So for the sake of this video, let's just click on this jackpot right here. Right, it's a moonshot token, that's why it's colored orange. Right, and it has been listed within the last 3 hours. So let's click on it and see what it's got installed for us. Now this is moonshot, right, and as you can see, we have a locked liquidity. All right, the liquidity is locked. Right, and then let's check for the mintable and freezable authority, so we can see if it's mintable or freezable, and it's a no for us if it is. Now, as you can see, there's mintable, no; freezable, no. So I'm going to tell you what this stands for. Right, if you see a coin being mintable, it means that even after buying this coin, the owner of the coin can still print more of that coins, which will make your coin to inflate and the value to reduce. Right, and freezable means that the owner of the coin can be able to freeze the asset even if it's in your wallet. Right, so after getting to check on this, the next thing I normally do personally check on is the red flag. Right, the amount of people giving a red flag. and then the fire and rocket. If this one right here is more than the this, then it means that the coin is legit, or the coin can be trusted for now, since it just got listed, right? So after getting this, some go as far as going to TTF bot on Telegram, copying the wallet address right here. Right, let me show you. Copying this wallet address. Where is it? All right, copying the wallet address right here. Just click on this and then get to Telegram and actually see if the owner has renounced the coin and so on and so forth. Well, because I don't want this video to get long, so I'll just show you how you can be able to snipe this coin and get the profit that you ought to actually get. So the next thing you need to do is to click on this place written chart, right? So just click on charts, and it's going to bring you to the chart on how this jackpot and soul is actually performing. So we'll just wait a little bit until it loads. So guys, the interface has loaded, and this is the next settings. You need to make sure that the token, or the time frame of the token, is on 5 minutes. All right, just like this. It should be on 5 minutes, not 15 minutes, not 1 hour, not higher time frames like 4 hours. It should be on 5 minutes, right? Since we are since they are newly listed tokens, so we're going to use the smaller time frames for that, right? And for those of us that don't know how we can be able to change our or this place, let me show you, to market cap, right? This place is what I'm talking about. Some people leave theirs at price, but to make to have a proper calculation, all you have to do is to switch it to market cap. So over here, this place I'm sliding right here, you're going to see somewhere indicating price, right? You're going to see somewhere indicating price, market cap. So just do well to switch yours to market cap so that you can be able to properly calculate your income or your earning, right? So when you switch it to market cap, all you have to do is to click on an indicator called the Fibonacci effect, right? So this is the Fibonacci effect. I am going to drop a link on the description telling you what Fibonacci effect is, how it works, and how perfect a trade setup can be able to get executed using the Fibonacci effect. This Fibonacci effect can be used on both forex and crypto, including meme tokens and so on and so forth, right? So I'm going to show you how you can be able to use this Fibonacci effect to actually catch a retracement and then go to the reversal section and actually catch the trend to the upside. So click on the Fibonacci effect, right, and then choose this first selection over here, Fibonacci retracement. So when you click on Fibonacci retracement, you're going to see this plus cursor. All you have to do is to go to the place where the price started, right? Just go to the place where the price started and then click on the screen to capture the starting price, and then draw the price. All right, you're going to draw the price to the highest high that coin has made. Okay, and then double tap the screen to actually lock this Fibonacci effect on the screen. Okay, so you just zoom it out a bit so that these numbers right here can be visible, right? So now this Fibonacci effect states that whenever price reaches this zone, this 0.5 zone, let me show you the 0.5. now this is 0.5 right here. So anywhere within this place like this is within the 0.5 zone. Another name for this 0.5 zone is called the golden ratio zone. It is a place whereby most tokens get reversed, even in crypto, forex, and whatsoever. Whenever a price touches this 0.5 zone, it's mostly reversed to the upside. And if you're on a downtrend, if you're on an uptrend, it's mostly reversed to the downside. So when price hits this zone right here, that's where you're going to be placing your buys, right? That's where you're going to be placing your buys. So assuming you bought this token, right? Assuming you bought this token at this place right here, you're gonna have an upward movement to this side right here that I'm pointing, right? So you're gonna buy when it's at, let's say, give or take 25,000, okay, and then sell this token when it gets as high as 60,000, and this is way more than 1.5x to 2x using the proper calculations, right? And the second zone that you should consider buying is the 0.618 zone to 0.7 zone, which is just a little bit below, or which is just immediately below the golden ratio zone. All right, just this place. So this is the 0.6 zone to 0.78 zone, right? These two zones that I just marked for you is the zone that you can be able to actually wait for price to drop down to before you actually buy it. So you can use this strategy to keep making this little profits, and before you know, 3 days, 4 days, you're going to make up to 10%, or sorry, 10 times the capital that you've actually used to start trading this meme token, without falling into the risk of being rug pulled, since you're not holding your coin for a longer period of time. Right, I hope this explanation is well understood. So do not forget 5 minutes time frame, which is a smaller time frame, and look for coins with locked liquidity, good market cap. Market cap should be lower, should be higher than volume. And in order to use TTF, you can just use my go back to the videos that the links that I'm going to drop in the description below to see how you can be able to use those TTF bots to actually look for the legitness of these coins. Right, so I hope this video helps, and I hope you have a nice day.